så energi.
I'm gonna cross a totally different mountain today. Back home, it will take me twice as long time to drive. Doesn't matter. It's gonna be bright weather during the day, they say. Okay folks, I am taking off the main road and I'm going to the Kapell mountain, trying to take the old road over to Førde. So this road don't got any traffic and it's a lot more to see. The autumn is about to start, the nature is so colorful and the water in the rivers and the waterfalls that I'm going to see, I guess it's filled with a lot of water because there's been a lot of rain this summer. Well, let's see. The first one! Ooh, and I haven't even come to Eldalsosen. Is called Hestad. Folks, I want you to see a typical West Coast road. Narrow and not easy to see what comes around the corner. See what I mean? Everything. Even if it's foggy, doesn't matter. It's really great anyway. Actually, it makes it more wonderful, to be honest. The bright sunshine, yeah, that's one thing, but to see it like this, oh, this is actually the beginning of the real mountain. The water is a river, even though it seems like a little lake or something.